Hello everyone! I'm back and I'm bringing you another amazing cocoa bead jewelry making tutorial. This time I'd like to show you how to make this super easy necklace, very beautiful and perfect for all kind of outfits. Feel free to choose the color you like the most, try different shapes and let your imagination run free to make earrings or bracelet using the same technique. If you love this idea as much as I do, no more hesitation. Get your jewelry making kits and let's get started. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Hit the notification sign and you'll be notified by YouTube every time I'll post new videos. Hope to see you in my next tutorial, but until then remember to still beautiful, smile and be very happy.